Today on this video, I will show you how we can fix the problem of being unable to run any application on virtual machine because of the error. This application cannot be run under a virtual machine. So let's get started. First of all, press Windows and R on your keyboard, and here type REZEDIT and click OK. Click on S. So here we are on registry editor. So here expand H key local machine, this one here. Now expand hardware, expand description, and expand system. And here select the system, and here you can see system BIOS version. So double click this system BIOS version. So here you can see VBox -1. So here type, so remove this V and type no, NO box -1. So click on OK, and now you can close registry editor. So restart your computer and you will be able to run that application on virtual machine.